Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Deidra, owner of Tresses by Deidra, and I just wanted to show you guys how I do my quick and easy puff ponytail. This is my drawstring puff known as the puff. It is made with my Mongolian Afro curly texture, and in this video I'm going to show you how I slick my hair down. Just a FYI, I got really busy and I recorded this video, like the ending of this video, probably 3 days after, so that just goes to show how well my hair holds up after doing this process. So all I'm doing right now is just wetting my hair down. I did wash my hair the day before. Normally I just go ahead and slick my hair up after washing, but I washed my hair really late that day, so I put it in a couple braids and took it down. So now I'm just re-wetting my hair. I do have type 4 hair, as you can see. I have a mixture going on. I'm not completely sure how to categorize my hair other than type 4. So the key to getting my hair as slick as I do is I do sections. I have very thick hair. I have very coarse hair, and sections is going to be key. So I'm just sectioning off the front from, I kind of do sectioning the front, the middle, and then the back. If I'm doing a high bun or ponytail, I start in the middle, as you can see. I'm going to go ahead and just part it in sections, wet it. I'm not getting it like super wet, just sort of damp enough to make it pliable. And I'm going to make sure it's detangled, and I'm using Eco Style gel. I'm using the argan oil and the olive oil gel because I ran out of the argan oil in the midst of this process, but I prefer the argan oil. It's going to give me the best hold, but both are okay. So I'm just going to continue slicking it up, and I'm going to just let you guys watch until the next step. So hopefully you enjoy. Okay, you guys, the product I just flashed there was the gummy wax glossy finish, the purple one. I'm sorry, I didn't know it wasn't in focus. I was also recording for Instagram. You guys got to show me a little grace. I clearly do not record for YouTube often, and I'm working with an actual camera now, and I don't know what the hell I'm doing, so I'm sorry. So here I'm just laying my baby hair, playing around with them. I don't really have baby hair. I have a lot of edges, but they're not really baby hair, so I always have to like figure out how to lay them down, especially when I don't have a part in my hair. And the edge brush I'm using, I believe it's from Kiss. So you're just gonna see me playing around, and my hair is still damp. The gummy wax, at least this particular one, works really well on my hair when it's wet and when it's dry and street. So I really recommend it. Give it a try. I'm not really a fan of, I've only tried two, and I'm not a fan of the blue one. It gives like a very dull matte finish, but this one I really love. After I finish with this, I'm just gonna go ahead and tie my hair down with a scarf. That is also key. You really need to let your hair completely dry, or at least get 90% dry when tied down. You could tie it down with anything that's satin, a do-rag, a scarf. I don't recommend a bonnet because it's not going to really uh, give you a flat lay. So definitely use a scarf, or like I said, a do-rag. Let it completely dry. If you cannot wait for it to completely dry on its own, go ahead and use a blow dryer, and that'll work as well. Um, After I finish this process, my hair usually holds up for at least 4 days before I need to go in and re-slick it, re-add gel. The most I have to do is touch up my edges and my sideburns, but other than that, I'm usually good to go. The next clip, you're going to see me installing the puff, but from here, you're just seeing me fiddle around with my baby hair. Okay, you guys, so right here I'm just showing you what the ponytail or the puff is going to look like fresh out of the package. I was using the size small. I really needed a large, but I used a small. This ponytail is completely handmade by me, handmade and cut to give the illusion of a natural puff. I'm just putting the combs in, and I'm going to pull the drawstring as tight as I can, and then I'm going to go ahead and wrap that drawstring around my bun and then tuck it under the ponytail itself. And from here, you're going to see me pick it out. I know it looks insane right here, but I'm going to go ahead and pick it out, play around with it, use my fingers to give it the shape that I want. Here I'm just making sure it's secure. I'm going to go ahead and leave the link for this ponytail as well as the rest of my ponytails down below. I will be making more videos on my ponytails and my other products. It's honestly so much work to sit down and edit these videos. Shout out to anybody who does this on a regular basis, because it took me so long to get this video edited, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, check out my link. I am having a Mother's Day sale this weekend, and these will be included. I'm actually having a BOGO. It's going to be buy one get one 50% off, and these are not your average drawstring ponytails. They can be dyed, bleached, and all of that, and they can last over a year with proper care. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below and subscribe for more videos. Bye.